Rain, heat, wind, weather costs builders days. Your HIA or MBA contract already makes an allowance for that, but only up to a point, and if you don't record what actually happened, you wear it. Open your project, then site management, then weather. You get a live 7-day forecast for the site right beside your schedule, so you can see trouble coming before it lands on the slab pour. When weather does stop work, log it as an event. The date, the conditions, what it held up. Takes a minute, while it's still fresh. Then turn it into a delay notice, your formal, dated record. Here's why that matters. HIA and MBA contracts build in a set number of inclement weather days as contingency. The trouble starts when the season runs past that allowance. And to claim the extension beyond it, you need evidence, not memory. Every logged event and dated notice is exactly that evidence. So when a season hits harder than the contract allowed for, and lately they do, you're not wearing weeks of site costs you can't recover. Liquidated damages stay off your back, the extension gets granted, and the money stays on your side of the ledger. Next up, safety management.